Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on the Dyson V8 cordless vacuum cleaner. I'm going to talk about it, kind of show you a little bit about it, then we're actually going to see how it does on hardwood floors and carpets. So it does come with a wall mount, a charger. This is the motor bar with hair removal, vanes. And for longer hair, it also comes with this hair screw tool. Now both of these are motorized. There's a motor in this one that turns that, and there's a motor in that one. So the way you charge it, you're going to plug it in right here. But if you use the mount, you're going to be putting this in there, and that way when you mount it, it's going to charge it and hang it on the wall all at the same time. Okay, so you can plug this into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 26.1 volts, 780 milliamps. So the vacuum is cordless. It's got a battery built in here. It's very simple to operate. It's only you're going to vacuum anytime you pull the trigger. It's spring loaded. We've got a filter on the back here that is really easy to change out. We've got two speeds. We've got low and high. Now the easiest part is when you're ready, when this is all filled up with dirt and debris, you're going to lift this lever, but you're going to lift this up and the bottom's going to pop out all at once. So let's try it out. There. It's a little tricky. Let's try that again. Again, this big lever up here, you got to pull it and pull up. That causes this to raise up and that to pop open so that all the dirt and debris comes out. It's kind of nice because this kind of, you'll get some hair around this and it kind of wipes it off so that it will come out the bottom. Then when you're ready, push this down and close that. Up here we got another filter that sometimes we have to wash off and let this dry completely. Okay, so it does have a wand that I'm going to be putting on, but I want to see, if you want to do stairs, you can just attach this, turn it on. And same with this attachment here. It is a motorized attachment. Now here's what the bottom of this looks like. Again, the motor's inside here, which I'm going to show you. Over on this side, you got to be careful. We're going to turn this. Get a screwdriver. There's an unlock position. Just be careful. Don't damage it. Just turn it to the unlock a little bit. It's spring loaded. It's going to come out. There's where the motor part stays in. This is like a tube that you can take over and clean it all up, but make sure it's nice and dry. Now to get it back on, you're going to kind of slide on. You got to line up some grooves in there, so you kind of have to turn it just a little bit. You don't want to force this. This is kind of delicate. Now we're going to make sure this bottom notch is kind of off to the right here. That way when we push it in, it should be nice and flush without forcing it, but it's spring loaded. So just hold it, you get a screwdriver and then turn it till it snaps. Now same with this, we've got this release, we're going to move that red handle up, and then this slides off. It can be just a little tricky, but just kind of wiggle it back and forth. This will slide off. Now you can even pull this out. Now be careful, this comes off also. There's like a screw there. There's where the motor is. Don't get any of that wet. But I can get this all nice and clean, make sure it's all nice and dry. Again, just slide it on there. And you got to kind of line this up. Yeah, so just kind of line, there's the opening right there. Line the opening up with the opening and just kind of, there. It'll just go really easy, then we'll move that down. Okay, let's go clean some carpet and some hardwood floors with it. Miss Fiona has come for her treat. She knows I'm doing a video. Okay, so we're going to try the Dyson on carpet. I got a lot of dog hair, so I got some rice, some coffee, really fine dirt. Let's see how it does. I've got it on high power. It's got a lot of suction. Seems like it's picking everything up. So it's easy to turn. Yeah, it's doing a good job. Okay, so now we're going to try the smaller attachment on carpet. It's got good suction. It's getting everything up. Okay, so I got a real torture test here. This is where I think the Dyson shines. It's like a precision vacuum cleaner. I can really get into the corners, really get up against the walls. Let's give it a try. I got it on high power. Again, it rolls really easy. Now if I come in here, I can get right up next to the wall. It's got really powerful suction. And again, back here in this corner, this is where it really shines. I can really get in there, get that all good and clean. Okay, so it really filled this thing up. It's got a lot of dirt and debris on it. Let's see how it does. Again, you're gonna just hold it, lift this up. Yeah, it does a really good job. Takes the hair off there, push that down, close that. Okay, so the Dyson really shines on hardwood floors. It's a precision vacuum cleaner. That's what I felt like. On carpet, it seemed like it was hard to move. It didn't, it did a good job. I was very impressed with it. But it didn't seem like that was its specialty. Its specialty is a kitchen with multiple surfaces, multiple corners. That's exactly where this vacuum cleaner is going to come in handy. Again, you got to hold the button the whole time. I like that. Okay, I like, getting used to dumping this out was a little tricky, but it is extremely lightweight. I think there are some other vacuum cleaners out there that are just as nice, but not as far as precision. That, again, other vacuum cleaners like Shark and them, they do a good job on carpet and hardwood floors, but they're not as the best for precision as far as really getting up into corners and stuff where I do think this shine. But I am going to be doing a comparison with the Shark. Yeah, this is my very first Dyson. These can be kind of expensive. So it retails for about $380. I did get this on sale for about $350. That is pretty expensive for just a standard stick vacuum cleaner that you have to empty out. Shark has one for about 400 bucks that you empty out. It has a self-emptying base that I really do like. And again, it's either full power, low power is pretty low. And then you have some pretty good suction, but you're probably gonna run it in high power all the time. And that does deplete the battery when you run it in high power the whole time. I did buy this product with my own money. I will put a link to it. I did buy this one off of Amazon. If you click on the link, the product won't cost you anymore, but I will get a commission from the sale. I am an Amazon associate. Underneath the video, if you could give it a thumbs up, that really does help out my YouTube channel. Also check out my Just a Dad Videos group Facebook page. I'll be doing my free giveaways on this. They'll be behind the scenes of how videos are made. I'm also releasing my brand new coffee. I branded my own coffee. We went down, did some taste testing. We're working on bag design right now. It's going to be a dark roast, Just a Dad Simple Sip coffee. You can follow along on the coffee journey on my Just a Dad Videos group page. I really do appreciate everybody's support. This would not be possible without everybody, so thank you very much. And again, if you could, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.